Breaking news from the world of RV connectivity. Winegard has acquired WiFiRanger. Hi, I'm Chris with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, here to share some breaking news from the RV connectivity universe. Company Winegard, maker of the ConnecT 2.0, has acquired WiFiRanger, the makers of the Converge and many other RV connectivity devices. So these are two top pick devices, two top pick companies coming together as one. So what does that mean? So first off, a little history. Winegard is a pretty big company, and they've been around for a very long time. The founder of the company actually invented the very first multi-channel Yagi antenna way back in the 1940s, and Winegard was even given appreciation by NASA for assisting with the Apollo 11 mission. And all through the years, they've designed over 1,000 different antennas and have many patents, and have been a leader in antenna design, first focusing on terrestrial television, then moving into satellite television, and then into RV television and satellite, and now more recently cellular and Wi-Fi. So the ConnecT 2.0 has been actually a pretty promising device, a lot of capabilities, but we've always been a little bit underwhelmed by the software side that Winegard has to offer. And software is not their expertise, antennas are. Now, WiFiRanger, on the other hand, has been around for a lot less time, but they've been focused on mostly, well, it's in their name, Wi-Fi, and providing connectivity to RVs and vehicles and stuff, primarily via long-range Wi-Fi, which they do really well. Also USB tethering, and more recently they've been getting into doing integrated cellular too, with devices like the Converge, which brings it all together into one device. Now these two companies have been on a bit of a collision course, because though they sell to consumers and individuals and stuff, the primary market in the RV space has been RV manufacturers trying to compete for space on the roof of new RVs. And well, RV manufacturers only want to put one box on the roof. Of course they need a television antenna, so they've been going to Winegard, but now more and more RVers want connectivity too, so they've been tempted by WiFiRanger. And so WiFiRanger started integrating television antennas into the Converge options, and well, Winegard started integrating cellular and Wi-Fi. So they're competing head-on for this same little slice of roof with different areas of expertise. And, well, why fight when you could come together? So that seems to be the impetus for this acquisition, is all the software expertise and cellular and Wi-Fi expertise that WiFiRanger has is now going to be a part of Winegard. Winegard has all the expertise with antennas. They have a much more experience doing television, long-range television, and they actually have, being a bigger company and a long history, they actually have the antenna design labs and testing facilities and stuff to do, the sort of things that WiFiRanger would have to send out to have done for them. So there's a lot of potential synergies here with these two companies coming together. Now, what does this mean for current customers in the current product lines like the Converge or the ConnecT? Now, at the moment, nothing is changing. The merger is just finalized today and happening now, and the current product lines will continue on as is. WiFiRanger is going to continue as a separate company and a separate brand operated underneath Winegard, but over time they're now going to start cross-pollinating expertise and technology back and forth between the two sides of the company. We've already heard that WiFiRanger's software is running on top of the ConnecT hardware, and so that's the potential for future products. And they tell us that there's even going to be a potential evolution path for customers who have a Winegard ConnecT who want some of the features that are in WiFiRanger software. There'll probably be some sort of upgrade software path to do that. And then in the future, we'll have new, more interesting products that come from these two merged companies. Now, the downside of a merger is there's potential for reduced competition and reduced innovation, so we'll have to see what this means for the RV market as a whole. But more than the negatives, we see the positives in this. There seems to be a lot of potential for synergies of making things better for everyone when this comes together. So congratulations on the coming together, you guys, and we'll look forward to see what you bring out.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.